This is what I eat in a day as a girl trying to lose weight. I initially started with a target of 20 kgs and now it's 15 kgs because I've lost 5 kgs. So it's all about healthy eating. So I start my morning by detoxifying my body. For that, I have my morning drinks and my vitamins and my supplements. So this really helps me get the fuel back and the energy from the state of fasting. So I start by having chia seeds in warm water with lemon, followed by collagen. I also have my jeera shot, which is like a fat burning belly shot. So this is really nice. I then have my black coffee and any supplement that I feel my body needs, like iron, multivitamins. So first is obviously jeera shot. This is great, guys. Even Ayurveda says like jeera, ginger, all of these are great shots. This directly targets my belly fat, followed by my chia seeds in warm water and lemon and a pinch of salt as well. This is the best way to detoxify your liver, your body, great for your skin and your hair. I have this religiously and I can see the difference, followed by a new supplement that I'm trying. Oh god, this has like more than 10 to 15 things going on, and I just add a little bit of water and then the supplement, and I make sure that I stir it really well because this does taste a little powdery. Honestly, this is the second time that I'm having this, and I wouldn't lie, this doesn't taste good at all, but this is very healthy for my hair, for my skin, for my body. So I'm trying to have it, but I think it's going to take a couple of days for me to get used to this, to be very honest. Then I have my collagen. For anyone who's 25 years and above, please include this in your diet. It's extremely important. And now my black coffee that makes me really happy. Have your tea and coffee by the end of your morning drinks. For my breakfast, now I'm just going to have any seasonal fruit. So this, now it's the season for cherries and lychees, so I make sure that I have something light and something very yummy, and I do not have a lot of oil. But I'm also having upma. So this is made out of suji and it has ghee. So for me, this is like a very healthy option. So if you want a breakfast, you can preferably have like poha, upma, idli. All of these are healthy options, but please don't miss your seasonal fruits. Now I love upma, and also you guys need to tell me what's going on with your diet. Is it all going well? Please let me know in the comments and keep me updated. Now I had to head out for a quick meeting. So lunch, like, look at this burger. This was on my table, but I did not have this, and I am so proud of myself. Instead, I had like a very healthy chicken wrap, and this was made out of spinach and egg. So I was really happy that I went for a healthy option. For my mid-evening snack, I again have like my black coffee because I need it. I have it with almond milk because I am lactose intolerant. And now an addition is bhel. Now this is made at home, so this is very healthy. It has peanuts, it has chana. So I think if you are sort of hungry in the evening, something at home really helps. For me, that is my coffee because it gives me energy, and almond milk is also really nice. Now at around 4:35, I do feel like my energy levels are dipping. Like I feel a little lazy or you feel like sleeping. So I include another supplement, and this one is from Fasten Up Activate, and honestly I've been having it since 4 years. So I'm just going to wait for it to completely dissolve. Until then, I'm going to eat my bhel. Now this bhel, the chutney is made at home. I don't have meaty chutney. I have a lot of peanuts. I have a lot of chana. So this is a great option. Now this is Fasten Up Activate. I think I have the beetroot flavor. This has multivitamins, boost my energy level. So agar aapko like midday you're feeling like a little lazy, like include this supplement. It'll really help. Now honestly, because I cannot work out, I have a toe injury, so I can't work out for 10 days. So I'm making sure that my dinner is really light. I also had a protein shake, so I'm having a sweet corn soup made at home. This is really light. It also has a lot of vegetables. So for me, I think this is fine. Like I don't want to eat too much because there is no physical activity at all. So, and my energy levels are also high. So you guys need to let me know how is your journey going. Tell me in the comments. I want to keep you as updated as possible. 2 days I went off track. I ate everything because I had this injury, and I was like, "Arey yaar, not again. I want to work out." But it's okay. I got back on track, and I'm really happy. I love you guys, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.